Good morning slash afternoon slash good evening. I know I've been slacking lately on the 4:30 videos. Well, there's not been much going on with it until today. Let me show you what we're going to get into. So I went out, got on it, started right up, and then pulled it outside because I wanted to do some washing on that little guy over there. Yeah, as you see, it's split in half. It wasn't that bad when I pulled it outside, but with me messing with it, I broke it even more. So we took a ride up to AutoZone. Got us one of these right here, and we're gonna throw that on today. So I know it's a super easy fix, but let's see if we can get the old John Deere running again. So I put you guys on my Nugget, so that way I can have two hands to do this. All right. So what we're going to do is cut this to begin with. Well, I guess these wire cutters aren't too good. Alright, let's try these diagonal cutters. Well, it looks like I'm getting some of it. There we go. Got it. Now we gotta strip this back. This should be fun. How in the hell am I gonna do this? Probably the wrong method, but it's what I have. Got a little bit of it stripped off. Let's see if I can get some more stripped off. All right. So we got one of these universal ones. See how this works out. 11 mil? That's what the doctor ordered. Let's see if a ½ inch is what I need. Yep, ½ inch is what I need. Let's get back to it. That part's on. Yep, that scared me. I really don't feel like getting shocked today. All right. Well, we had a shocking moment there. You guys didn't catch what happened. Let me show you. So right back there is, right here is the battery hold down. There's the terminal. So when I was tightening this, my ratchet was in contact with this and was making this spark. So now let's see if I fixed my starting issue. She's running like a dream, if you can hear me. So what I said is she's running like a dream, starting up. So quick, easy fix. Remember, don't ground yourself or shock yourself when you're playing with electricity. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Here's to another day of living out here.